Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discussing a topic from the chapter Audit of Items of Financial Statement. Particularly, we are discussing the details of Benami property held. Okay. So before starting the topic, I'll show you the question which the examiner is going to ask in the examination. Okay. Okay, this question is displaying on your screen. I'm going to read the same question. So which is asked in the previous attempts. Okay. Proceedings have been initiated against the Falls Limited for holding Benami property under the Benami Transaction Act 1988 and the rules made thereunder. But such property is not recorded in the books of accounts. As a consultant to the company, what will you advise to the company as far as disclosure requirement are concerned in relation to such proceedings? Okay, so this is the question. Okay, put the question aside. Now I am going to explain the points so that it will give you the idea to write the answer. Okay, so the answer is, let me check, I'm sorry. So details of Benami property held. Where any proceeding have been initiated or pending against the company for holding Benami property under the Benami Transaction Act 1988 and the rules there made thereunder, the company shall disclose the following. Okay, what are the things that company should have to disclose in related to Benami property held by the company as per the Benami Transaction Act 1988. Okay, the points are here. The first point is details of such property, including year of acquisition. You have to mention the details of the Benami property that you are held and when that property have been acquired. Okay, details of such property and the year of acquisition and amount thereof. Amount thereof means the money which you have spent on that property. Okay, the money which company has spent on that property. Details of such property including year of acquisition, amount thereof, details of beneficiaries. Beneficiaries means the person who took the advantage. I mean the person who gained something from that property. Okay, and the fourth one is if the property is in the books, then reference to the item in the balance sheet. If the property is already in the books, then reference to the items in the balance sheet. If the property is not in the books, then the fact shall be stated with the reasons. Okay, if the property shall not in the books, then the fact shall be stated with the reasons. And where there are any proceedings against the company under this law, any abettor, transaction or as the transferor, then the details shall be provided. And the last one is nature of proceedings, status of same and the company's view on the same. Okay, again I am going to read the points. Details of such property including the year of acquisition, amount thereof, details of beneficiaries. If the property is in the books, then the reference to the items in the balance sheet. If the property is not in the books, then the fact shall be stated with the reasons. Then the fifth one, where there are any proceedings against the company under this law, a better transaction or as a transferor, then the details shall be disclosed. The nature of the proceedings, status of the same, the company's view on the same. Okay, this is it.